Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I figured we'd do just a quick little clip of how I get ready in the morning. Well, not in the morning. It's like 1 o'clock, so I guess how I get ready in the afternoon. But if that's what you guys want to see, then stay tuned. Alright, so I think for today we're just going to do a nice simple look, just because I don't have a whole lot of time until I get ready. Or I don't have a whole lot of time to get ready until I go to work. I think we're just going to start off with some primer. I'm just using the Revlon Color Stay Prep and Protect. And I just kind of put it on like this. I feel like there's a whole lot of need to get fancy with the primer. It's just priming everything. Foundation is the next thing. I'm going to be using the Matte and Poreless Fit Me by Maybelline. I actually just got this stuff, but I do really like it. It does seem to work pretty well, and you don't need a whole lot of it. I'd have to say the one complaint I have about it, along with everybody else I know, is just the opening. It's just like a giant ass hole, and you kind of have to eyeball how much you need, but you don't really need a whole lot. So just slap it on there and start to spread it in. And then I'm gonna just take my little, not a good job of getting that off my hands. My little, it's just a Revive brush. I got it for like Christmassy a couple years ago, just to help blend it in here. The next thing I'm going to be doing is just using some Too Faced eye primer. Definitely my go-to. I know you guys saw me say that in my first makeup tutorial, where I was using the Morphe Hot Shot palette. It's like 35H. Don't kill me if I'm not right. We're just gonna slather some of this up on our eyelids. Just like that. Next, I'm very lazy today. I don't have a lot of inspiration to do a big creative look. I just want to try out this Ulta Beautiful eyeshadow cream. I just got this from obviously Ulta. It was part of like a little Rose Quartz kit that they had, and so I've never used this. I've never used eyeshadow that looks like a lip gloss. At first that's what I thought it was. So yeah, let's try it out. I'm excited to see how it works. No, it's like really thick because it's in creamy. So I'm just gonna do that. And then I don't know if the best way to spread it out is gonna be with a brush or with just using my finger. So we'll try both. Honestly, this is how I used to do my eyeshadow in like high school, so part of me just wants to call it good here. And then you don't really see anything after you blend it with your finger, so let's try it with a brush now. Alright, so I'll just do a close-up of the eyes real quick. So this eye right here, I blended in with my finger, and this eye right here, I blended with the brush, and I think this one you can definitely tell there's eyeshadow on it way more, but I don't know if I'm too crazy about this color. Like, I'm gonna add on some more because this side looks like I got nothing on it, so what's the point? Yeah, so they're not very pigmented. I like the idea of it just because the application was, I mean, it's super easy to apply. You saw that. I just freaking took it out of the tube and put it on my eye. But the thing is I just don't feel like it's got a lot of punch to it, you know. I guess if you just, it's either got like too much punch or not enough, but I think I actually finally got it to work. So you definitely have to do 2 layers of it, and I definitely wouldn't use your finger because it kind of just really diminishes it and makes it all go away. Definitely just use, I just used a normal eyeshadow brush from e.l.f. so, and it worked just fine, see? So I'm going to go ahead now and get started with eyeliner. So today I'm just going to be using the NYX Epic Ink eyeliner. It's waterproof and it's in the black color, because if it ain't black, why, I mean, colored eyeliner is cute. I do like that. I actually just picked up the NYX Glitter Goals eyeliner in gold. Oh my gosh, it's the best glitter eyeliner I've ever had. It's the only glitter eyeliner I've ever had, but it's still the best. So yeah, we're just gonna stick with the trusty black eyeliner today though. Alright, I'm actually just gonna finish doing the eyeliner off camera. Blah. So we'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm really glad I did my mascara off camera because I messed it up like normal and I had to fix it. So I already went ahead and put on one eyelash, and I was gonna do the other on camera because I finally figured out how to do it the right way, because wouldn't you know it, I read the instructions, yeah, and I'm gonna follow them this time. So, as you can see, I've already got my right one on. Now I just need to do the left. Oh my god, I did it. Who would have thought? And it's not uncomfortable either. I lied. I didn't do it the right way. Alright, so I went ahead and I finished up doing the lashes. I know they're not perfect, but honestly it's the best I've ever done applying lashes, so I'm super proud of it. I just kind of topped them off with some CoverGirl Lash Blast Fusion. It's pretty much the only mascara I have that I feel like isn't going to completely ruin the lashes by like making them too gunky. I did just buy the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. I do like it. It's the False Lash Effect waterproof kind. I kind of wish I didn't get the waterproof because it is such a good mascara and it's really hard to get off, but I like it, and I saw it recommended by a lot of people online, a lot of YouTubers, so I was like, you know what, let's get it. I'm sure that's all I'm going to do for my look today. I'm just going to work and I'm just going to be sitting in my car mostly, so I don't need anything super fancy. I think all I'm really going to do to finish this look off is just spray it with some of the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set, just to make sure, especially these eyes, because I have no faith in this eyeshadow staying So I'm glad I got some on there. As far as lips go for today, I think I'm just gonna use the Self Love lip crayon that came in the same kit as the eyes. I actually do really like this color. It's a nice, cute little pink. You guys can't tell as much as I did in the mirror there. My lips were a little chapped. I did not realize that, so it doesn't look as good when your lips are chapped, but from a distance, it's still just like a nice color. I feel like they match my pants, so not that that's important. So yeah, and then I think also I lied. I said the e.l.f. spray was going to be the last thing I used on my face. I am going to also use from the same kit. It's this confidence spray that e.l.f. gave, e.l.f., oh my gosh, that Ulta Beauty had in that gift box. Because who doesn't need a little extra confidence? It's nice. It's got like a nice rose smell. I think that's all it really is. It's supposed to just be like a facial spray. Oh, just like a facial scent, but I like it. I should not have tried to put my bangs down when my face was wet. But anyways, thanks guys for tuning in and watching another video with me. I'll probably do some more getting ready videos because I don't know, I'm not very creative. I'm not super good at doing creative looks when it comes to makeup. So this is probably more of what you're gonna see, but I'll definitely be trying some crazy colors in the future. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a like, and there'll be more videos to come. Thanks for watching. Bye.